Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach aftermarket update for our live trading alert room on Thursday, January 23rd. Today we had three possible trades in the ES, two core trades and one advanced setup, and we had one trade called in crude oil. We had basically two winners, one break even, and the advanced trade was a break even as well. But I'm going to go through all of that. First trade we had was in the ES. The time was 8:33 Central Standard Time. The price was, we went short at 18.26. And that one went for about 3 points. It went down to 23. I said that there would be buyers coming in around the 24-23 area, so no one would have got filled at 3 points. So realistically, we'll just say 2 points on that trade. Either people were still in or they got out, depending on how many contracts they were trading. If they were still in the trade, obviously you see that it went down here and hit multiple targets here. However, for the people who got out of the trade, I did offer another entry, so technically you could have hit it here, and then we could have been short again here. Again, I said 575, 550 right in here after this green candle closed at it was a 9:03 Central Standard Time, and they took it down here. My first target area again was the 23. I said if they get through the 23, which they did on this candle here, the next target was going to be the 20, anywhere from 20 quarter to 1975. And they did come here. If you didn't get filled here the first time, certainly would have been filled here the second time, anywhere in here. And I said if it gets through down here, we want to go. I said it could go to about, it really wanted to go to 18 to 17, but 18 quarter may be the lowest it goes because we're entering what we call our playground area. It went 18 quarter to the tick, and they started buying it back up. So a couple points on the first trade here, from the 550 area, depending on where people got filled, 550, 575. That one went a good, we'll say 6 to 7 points down here. And that would have been a beautiful trade for those who took it. And we came back up here on the ES. Actually, the crude trade came first. The crude trade was here. We were long 9:12 Central Standard Time. The price was 97.37. We added to the trade at 17, and due to what I was seeing on the chart, I got everybody out of the trade at either break even or minus a couple pennies. So it was either break even or a couple penny loss on that one. Some people got out here at a couple penny loss. Some people wanted to hold it when it came back up here. I said that definitely get out at break even. So anywhere in here, it was either a break even, like I said, or a couple penny loss. And that was it. Now, there was a trade. The room was getting, it was late in the morning. There was a trade here I called the 2 quarter long. Most people were not in the trade. It was what we call an advanced setup, and I explained to most people that unless you're up significantly on the day, and even if you are, you'd want to take it small. We would go long 2 quarter here, and the thing wouldn't have even, it went a point, but it really wouldn't have even produced a point. Right around here when the room was getting ready to close, I told people that this one would be kind of a bear to manage. Now, it ended up, of course, not working. I called it off and told everybody to get out at break even. I said that if you stay in, you're taking the total responsibility because I'm recommending that we get out. And so that should have been a break even for everybody there. And I was afraid that this might happen. Now, they did this a certain way, but depending on what they would have done, it still would have been possible that this one would have worked. But I said because the room was closing, I wouldn't be here to help you manage through this, so it would be just safer to get out anyway. So that really wasn't a core trade. That was kind of like just kind of an additional trade that we offer for people to make additional funds if they're up significantly on the day. So 2 winners here. 2 possible entries, 2 winners, 1 break even a very small loss. I don't know, some people got out here, some people got out here in the crude trade. Most people were not in this trade, but even if they were, it was a break even. So a couple points on the first ES trade, up to 6 or 7 points on the second ES trade, break even on crude. and pretty good day today. So we're going to come back and do it again tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow is Friday, and until then, happy trading.